Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best silicone mouthpiece is probably one of the most underrated accessories for anyone who enjoys water activities or needs a comfortable, hygienic solution for their breathing apparatus. Whether you're a scuba diver, a swimmer, or simply someone who wants a better fit for their CPAP machine, the right mouthpiece can significantly enhance your experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of silicone mouthpieces to help you find the perfect fit. Number 5. SISU Aero Medium Mouthguard, 1.6mm, charcoal black. This mouthguard starts flat and molds to your mouth for a perfect fit. It's designed with athletes in mind, ensuring comfort and protection every time. You can remold it up to 20 times. The Aero is made from a high-tech thermoplastic material. This material is 30% stronger and has 8x greater tensile strength than standard mouthguards. It provides superior protection. Featuring a super slim, ultralight design, this mouthguard is 50% thinner than standard options. This slim design is perfect for team sports, allowing for easy breathing and talking. The Aero features an optimized perforation pattern for maximum comfort. Crumple zones absorb impact, and the bite pad improves moldability. It's designed for a comfortable experience. This mouthguard is free of harmful chemicals like BPA, BPS, latex, PVC, and phthalates. It's made in the USA and designed with your health in mind. SISU has revolutionized mouthguard technology with unmatched quality and functionality. This product is designed for athletes, known for its protection, comfort, and remoldability. What we like. This mouthguard offers a custom-molded fit for ultimate comfort and protection. Its ultra-thin design allows for easy breathing and speaking, enhancing your performance. If you're an athlete looking for a mouthguard that provides superior protection without sacrificing comfort and clarity, you should consider this. What people say. Thin and works well. Molds to teeth well. Took a few tries to mold it to my teeth correctly, but the instructional video was helpful. Easy to speak and drink water while it's in. What you're here for is the form factor, and it's the best on the market hands down. Molds to your teeth so easily, a perfect fit. I can talk and it stays in place lightweight. I can barely tell it's in. You can breathe super easy with this thing. I have taken some hard hits in football and don't feel it in my jaw like with my old mouthguards. Number 4. Sailupxinyuan 6-pack silicone diving mouthpiece. Introducing the Sailupxinyuan diving mouthpiece. This is a 6-pack of clear silicone mouthpieces designed for diving. It's a universal fit for most breathing tubes. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this mouthpiece ensures safety and comfort. The clear color allows for easy visibility underwater. It is designed for adults and children over 6 years old. Each pack contains 6 mouthpieces, each measuring 5.5 cm by 5 cm by 3.5 cm. They come in disinfection vacuum packaging for hygiene. Installing the mouthpiece is simple. Just insert it into your breathing tube. Then, use the included cable tie to secure it tightly. This mouthpiece is designed with a universal caliber, making it compatible with most diving equipment. It's a reliable accessory for your diving needs. What we like. This mouthpiece is made from food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and hygiene. It comes with disinfection vacuum packaging for added cleanliness. If you prioritize safety and hygiene in your diving gear, and need a universal fit, this is the one for you. What people say. Practica's Y Mui Bune material. Fits as it should. Great product and perfect for the dive bag. It has everything you need in a sealed bag. Number 3. Mollytek Scuba Diving Mouthpiece, soft and comfortable. Introducing the Mollytek Diving Mouthpiece, designed for ultimate comfort. Made from soft, non-toxic silicone, it ensures a safe and enjoyable diving experience. This is a must-have accessory for any scuba diving enthusiast. Crafted from professional-grade silicone, this mouthpiece is anti-allergenic and anti-aging. It's designed to be soft and easy to bite, ensuring a secure fit. You can rely on it for a comfortable and safe dive. Experience uninterrupted breathing with this durable mouthpiece. It's designed not to affect your breath, allowing you to focus on your dive. The universal international caliber ensures a perfect fit for most regulators. This mouthpiece is suitable for all your scuba diving adventures. The granular margin prevents slipping, and the first-class sealing ensures no leakage. It's a reliable and essential diving accessory. This is a replacement mouthpiece for your old one. It fits most standard diving snorkels and regulators. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on all your dives. This package includes 6 snorkel mouthpieces. It's an essential accessory for any diver. Get yours today and enhance your diving experience. What we like. This scuba diving mouthpiece is soft, comfortable, and made of silicone. It features a universal international caliber, ensuring a good fit for most regulators. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable replacement mouthpiece for your scuba diving, this one is a great choice. What people say. Both of the above fit nice, tight, properly and, a result, leaked no water. The mouthpiece is very comfortable and easy to handle. Worked great on the rented regulators. Number 2. Skylety Hydration Pack Bite Valve Replacement Kit. This is the Skylety replacement kit, including mouthpieces and shut-off valves. It's a nice combination to meet your long-term use. The vivid colors make it easy to spot. The shut-off valve with switch is easy to use. It works for hydration packs and bite valves. The yellow switch controls the water flow, just connect it to the hose. Made of quality silicone, this kit is reliable and durable. It's not easy to crack or fade, making your outdoor activities more comfortable. The size fits most brands. With a one-piece structure and good sealing, there will be no water leakage. You can use it with peace of mind, without worrying about wasting water during your sports. This bite valve replacement set is a nice gift for family and friends. It provides them with a practical and useful experience. They will appreciate its quality and performance. What we like. This bite valve replacement set comes in multiple colors, making it easy to identify. It's easy to operate with a shut-off valve, providing convenience. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use hydration pack accessory, this is the perfect option. What people say. These are great, if you cut the bite valve opening wider. Fits the Camelback crux reservoir on-off valve perfectly. The valves seal tight, one is a little firm to open and close but no issue there. The barbed end for the bladder tubing is the right size so everything should work out great. Number 1. Silicone Mouth Tips for Hookah Shisha. These colorful mouth tips are designed for Hookah Shisha. They are disposable, but also reusable, flexible, washable and very durable. You can select the color at random. It comes in many different colors, so you can pick the one you like best. Made of premium quality silicone, it's good for your health. This material ensures a safe and enjoyable experience. This tip is small and can be carried conveniently. It's easy to take with you wherever you go. It fits most hookah hoses. This makes it a versatile accessory for your hookah setup. What we like. This mouthpiece comes in a variety of colors, allowing you to personalize your hookah experience. It's reusable, washable, and fits most hookah hoses. If you like to have a colorful and reusable accessory for your hookah, it is a great choice. What people say. These are perfect for my new hookah I purchased. It pulls so well and I don't see myself ever going back to other tips. They worked great and keep reusing the same one after wash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.